On Lesson 14's homework, the directions read: draw a numbered disk on the place value chart to solve. Show your steps using long division. So if we look at the place value chart, we have 5 and 241 thousandths divided by 3. Please make sure that the bottom of your place value chart is split up in 3 sections. So we're going to take the first section with the ones place, and we're going to draw 5 number disks. There's a 5 in the ones place. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking at the tens place, there's a 2, so we're going to put in 2 number disc. 1, 2. In the hundreds place, we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the thousands place, we have a 1. What we're going to do is split up each of the sections by 3. So in the ones place, we're going to take the 5 and split it up 3 ways. So 1 will go in each section. So we're going to cross them out 1, 2, 3. We now have 2 left over, and we can't do 2 divided by 3 evenly. So what we have to do is we have to move from the ones place to the tens place. Every time we move 1 over, it's going to represent 10. So we're going to take this one and move it over, and it's going to represent 10. So we're going to go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we look at the next section, we have another one that we have to split up, move it over, and it's going to represent 10 as well. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What we have to do now is separate each of these sections. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to move the disc down. So each of them is going to have 1 in each to start off with. So I'm going to cross off 1, 1, and 1. And we're going to keep doing this the whole way down. So we're going to split up all of these boxes. So every time we add one, we're going to cross them out. Keep breaking up the numbers. So now that we broke them up, we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in each box. So we should have 7 in the tens place, and each of these in the ones place only have 1. We now have 1 left over, so what we have to do with the 1 left over is we need to move it over to the side, and every time we move it over, it's going to be worth 10. So we're going to add in 10 more dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to do the same thing again. We're going to split up the hundreds place and break it between the 3 sections because we're dividing by 3. So we're going to break it up. 1, 2, 3. Break it up. 1, 2, 3. Break it up. 1, 2, 3. And as we break them up, we now have 2 left over. So in the hundreds place, each of the sections have 4. So we have 1 in the ones place, we have a 7 in the tens place, and we have 4 in each of the hundreds place. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the remainder left over because we have 2 pieces remained, and we're going to move them over. So each little section is going to be worth 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to go ahead and break them up in 3 ways again. So break them down. 1, 2, 3. And I just cross them out to make sure I don't skip any. 1, 2, 3. And this time it's going to come out nice and evenly. So if we counted how many are in each section, we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer should be 1 and 747 thousandths. We're going to show it doing long division now. So we're going to move up our decimal, and we're going to look at how many 3's can go into 5, and 3 can go into 5 one time, and 3 times 1 is 3. We're going to subtract. We should have 2 left over, and we're going to bring down the other 2. 3 goes into 22 7 times. 3 times 7 is 21. And when we subtract, we should have 1 left over. Bring down the 4. 3 goes into 14 4 times. 3 times 4 is 12. And 14 minus 12 is 2. Bring down the 1. And 3 goes into 21 7 times, and it goes in perfectly. So we're checking our work with long division, and the answer once again should be 1 and 747 thousandths.